This is Rita's clock. There are several things wrong with it. Not only did it have this bent shaft right here that holds the pendulum leader wire, but it had a bent pen, and the main arbor was bent. I had to straighten that out. But these clock, because it's Korean, the hardest part for me was putting these tabs back in, to try to the easy way I found was would say I'm putting this tab in here, was push the spring to the left, and that way it fits on the outside of the plate. But it's sitting here ticking away. I think she'll be happy with it. It's all oiled, and I'm going to leave it ticking away for a while, and before I put it back in the case. Sorry I didn't get to show you that much on this video. I'll also say that this spring right here is what closes this tab here, and I had to basically straighten the spring to give it more power to close this, because this spring ensures the rack is lifting up, and then there's three little wires to lift the rack, but it would lift everything up except for the very end, and then there wasn't enough power. You could push this to get this tab to go underneath the rack. And then there's also a spring here that activates the gong. Pretty little cool clock, even though it is made in Korea.